This is the video tutorial for the Happy Days EIRA Scarf. And this is how we make it. You will need fleece for the lining and fabric for the outer. I'm using a woolen black watch tartan, and my fleece is a fleece blanket that I bought from the store. Place your two fabrics right sides together and add some clips all the way around. Remember to leave a gap for turning. I've added all my clips and I've remembered to leave my gap sign. Now I'm going to take it over to the sewing machine and use a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew all the way around, remembering to leave a gap. A hint, I found it's best to sew from your fabric side. I've sewn all the way around and I've trimmed each of the corners here, and I've also trimmed the point and carefully snipped around the curve. This is to reduce the bulk. We're now going to turn it the right way out through the gap we left. I've turned it the right way out and I've carefully pressed it. Be aware if you're using wool fabric as I am that you've got your iron on the right setting. I've turned in the raw edges of my gap and I've added some clips, and I'm now going to go over to the sewing machine and top stitch all the way around. I've top stitched all the way around. I actually increased my stitch length to a 4, and this has closed up our gap. We're now working on the tab. Place your two tab fabrics right sides together and add some clips. I've added my clips and I've also added my gap sign for turning, and I've placed this on one of the shorter sides. I'm now going to take it over to the sewing machine using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew all the way around, remembering to leave my gap. I've sewn all the way around and I've snipped each of the 4 corners, and I'm now going to turn it the right way out through the gap. I've turned it the right way out and I've carefully pushed out each of the corners, tucked in the raw edge of the gap and pressed it, and then place it in position and add a few pins. I've positioned my tab as per my template. I've added a few pins, and now I'm going to sew along this side and along this side, and this will close up the gap. I've sewn along this edge and this side, and that's our EIRA Happy Days scarf all finished.